Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the rear windshield wiper on a Ford Escape. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from glass and identify the retaining cap. Pry the cap gently with a flat tool to expose the nut. Use the correct socket to remove the nut and pull the arm straight off the splined shaft. Clean the shaft area before fitting the new arm and resecure the nut to factory tightness. Begin by lifting the wiper arm carefully until it is stable away from the glass. Pry the small plastic cap off to reveal the retaining nut, taking care not to scratch paint. Fit the appropriate socket and loosen the nut while supporting the arm to prevent it snapping back. Once the nut is removed, pull the arm straight off the splined shaft with a steady pull and set the old assembly aside for disposal. Place the new wiper arm onto the splined shaft, aligning any position marks so the blade sits correctly on the glass. Hand thread the retaining nut to avoid cross-threading, then use a socket to snug it securely without over-tightening. Snap the plastic cap back into place to protect the nut. Lower the arm onto the glass slowly and run the wiper to confirm smooth operation and correct wipe coverage across the rear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.